Good morning, children. Once again, we are back to our work. I hope you have all enjoyed your puja vacation and ready to do our next term work. So, children, let's start with the moral science. I'm your Sharada ma'am back once again to take your moral science. Now, let's read this chapter, that is chapter 9. Respect all workers. So, children, who are workers? Workers are people who work for us. Teacher, doctor, teacher teaches you, doctor cures you when you're not well, nurse looks after you when you're in the hospital, then policeman cares for you if you have any problem, and traffic police looks after the safety that is on road, sees to the traffic. So let's read this chapter to know in details. Okay, children, come, let's start. So it's chapter 9, respect all workers. Many people help us in our day-to-day life. So you see, in our daily life, there are many people who help us. We cannot do all the work on our own. So you see, all the work, it is not possible for us to do. We cannot do. We are not able to do all the work by ourselves. Hence, we need the workers to do it for us. So, for that reason, we need the workers to do it for us. What will happen if the milkman does not deliver milk? Suppose you need milk in the house and the milkman who comes and gives you the milk is not available, is not bringing milk for you. See the problem your family will face. We need milk. Then the postman does not bring us our letters, our parcels. The policeman is not there to protect us. Policeman does not protect us, or the sweeper does not clean the dirt. Now imagine how difficult our life will be. Our life will become very difficult if all these people would not be there to help us. We have policemen to protect us. We have sweepers to clean our house. And we have postmen, those who bring letters and parcels for us. Then you have milkmen that brings milk to your house. You have teachers who come to teach you, who gives you good lesson. So we must respect all workers and thank them. Every worker that you meet in your life, you should thank them. Some workers are poor. We must be kind to them. See, the person who sweeps your house or the maid who comes to your house, they may not be very much well off. They may be poor. So you must be kind to them. Let us meet some of the workers. Now let's see who are some workers. See, this is Sher Singh. He is a farmer. He grows crops for us. So who grows crops for us? It is the farmer who grows crops for us. See, we eat rice, wheat, all these things, the pulses that we eat. Farmers are there to grow crops for us, and that's how we get the food. This is Shyamlal. He is a postman. He brings letters and parcels for us. So, who is Shyamlal? He is a postman. What he does? His work is to bring letters and parcel for us. Now, let's see what's next. 1 minute. Now you see this is this is Miss Meeta. She is a teacher. She teaches in a school. So you see, you come to school, there are teachers to teach you. So it is teacher. Now say, this is Dr. Mohan. He is a doctor. See, he is a doctor. He cures the sick people. He cures the sick people. So who cures the sick people? It is the doctor who cures the sick people. This is Ashok Singh. Who is he? He is a policeman. He catches thieves and protects us. This is Shiva. He is a gardener. He takes care of the beautiful flowers and plants in the garden. He takes care of the flowers and plants that is in the garden. So he is a gardener. Now let's see. This is Babulal. Who is Babulal? He is a sweeper. He cleans the roads and the gutters. This is Keshav. This is Keshav. He is a milkman. He brings us milk, which is very important for our growth. Without milk, we will not be able to grow well. Our bones has to be strong. So these are the people who help us. Now children, let's revise once again. So we need workers in our daily life, because without work, without workers, our life would have been very, very difficult. These people help us in our day-to-day life, so we should respect them and honor their work. Some may be poor. We must be kind to them. There are many workers who help us in our day-to-day lives. Just think, if you don't have a milkman to bring milk for you, there isn't any postman to deliver letters and parcel, if there wouldn't been any policemen to protect us, if the sweeper doesn't come to clean and the dirt and the gutter, what would our life would have been? It would have been a real difficulty for all of us. So it is our duty to respect them and thank that they are there to help us. There may be some workers who are not well off, they are poor, we must be kind to them. Many people help us in our day-to-day life, that is, farmers, they grow crops for us, the food that we eat, the rice, the paddy, the rice, the wheat, the chapati you get. These are the things that it is the farmer who grows for us. Then the postman, the work of a postman is to bring parcel and letters, so they bring things for us, so we should also respect the work that they do. Then we have Miss Meeta, who's a teacher. So teacher is very much needed in our life, because they teach us what is right, what is wrong. They help us to grow to be a good human being. So you must always respect them. Apart from them, we have doctors. Doctors are there to look after the sick people. They take care of us and they give us medicine. By their advice, we become well when we are sick. Then this is Ashok Singh, that we policeman who catches thieves and protects us. Then the gardener is there, who looks after the garden and plants around you. Then the sweeper, who cleans the road and the gutters for us. Every day the sweeper comes to clear off all the dirt and keep the place clean. Then we have the milkman, who brings milk for us. So it is our duty to respect and protect each and every one and be kind to each and every one. We should respect their work, we should be kind to them, and we should be polite with them. We should not behave rudely, because that doesn't give us, does not prove that we are learning well. We are studying in a nice school, and we should learn to how to protect people, how to respect them, how to be kind to them. This is our motto, you should always do. Next we have, this is a thing which needs to be done in your book. Do the matching. See, mend our shoes. Who mends our shoes? It is the cobbler. Stitches our clothes. Who stitches clothes for us? It is the tailor. Tailor is the person who stitches clothes for us. Who brings us milk? It is the milkman that brings milk for us. Who grows crops for us? It is the farmer that grows crops for us. Who catches thieves for us? It is the policeman who catches thieves for us. Who takes care of our garden? It is the gardener who takes care of us. So we should always be kind to them, and we should respect the work that they do. So this is for your moral science children. You do this in your book and read the chapter thoroughly and nicely. If you find any problem, do let me know so that I can help you. So you should be kind. So cobbler is the person who mends your shoes. Farmer is the person who grows crops for you. Policeman catches thieves and protects us. Then we have the milkman who brings milk, and the lovely dress that you wear, who makes it for you? It is the tailor that makes these nice stitches, nice dresses for you. So you should always remember to be kind and respect the work they do and behave politely. The maid that comes to your house, you should be kind to her. You must not disrespect her. You should talk politely to her. So children, this is a chapter for you which you are supposed to do for this week. You must do it, do the work, read the chapter nicely. So this corona is always with us. We have to be with them. We must stay well, maintain social distance, wear mask, use sanitizer, listen to your parents, and do your work nicely as the elders tell you, and do your studies properly so that you can do well in your work. Study this, since we have moral science. It is a very vital subject in your life. It will help you to grow to be a good human being. Okay children, till then, bye, have a nice time. We will meet next week. Bye bye.